Understanding and using the UseEffect hook in React. React provides a variety of hooks for managing state and side effects in functional components, with UseEffect being one of the most versatile yet misunderstood among them. This article aims to demystify the UseEffect hook, highlight common pitfalls, and suggest when it might be unnecessary or even counterproductive to use it. Additionally, it introduces alternative strategies and modern libraries that can offer more elegant solutions for certain use cases. The basics of UseEffect. The UseEffect hook allows you to perform side effects in your component. It is called after every render by default, but can be customized to run under specific conditions. Basic syntax and explanation. In this example, the UseEffect hook is used to update the document's title after each render based on the count state. It only reruns when the count state changes because count is listed in the dependency array, the second argument to UseEffect. If the dependency array were omitted, the effect would run after every render. If it were an empty array, the effect would run only once after the initial render. Pitfalls to avoid. Common mistakes include omitting dependencies or including unnecessary ones, which can lead to bugs or performance issues. Furthermore, creating infinite loops by updating a state within UseEffect that is also listed as a dependency is a critical pitfall to avoid. Alternative approaches. Computed values instead of state. Often, you might find yourself using UseEffect to compute values based on props or state. However, in many cases, it's possible and preferable to compute these values directly within the component body or a custom hook, avoiding unnecessary state and effects. Resetting state with key prop. When you need to reset component state in response to prop changes, a common but less known technique involves leveraging the key prop. Changing the key prop forces React to remount the component, resetting its state. This pattern can simplify scenarios where you'd otherwise use UseEffect for state resetting. When UseEffect is unnecessary. Despite possible pitfalls and alternatives, UseEffect remains indispensable for scenarios involving asynchronous operations, like fetching data from an API, subscribing to a service, or manually manipulating the DOM in ways not directly supported by React. Libraries like React Query. For sophisticated applications, especially those requiring data fetching, caching, or synchronization, consider libraries such as TanStack Query, formerly React Query. These libraries abstract away complex data management patterns, reducing the need for manual UseEffect management. Conclusion. The UseEffect hook is a powerful tool in React for handling side effects, but recognizing when and how to use it effectively is crucial for writing clean, efficient, and bug-free code. By understanding its workings, pitfalls, and alternatives, developers can make informed decisions, potentially leveraging modern libraries to simplify common patterns. React encourages thoughtful rendering and state management, with UseEffect playing a pivotal role in scenarios that fall outside the immediate rendering path.